So I have the DJI Osmo Pocket right next to my Canon G7X Mark II. Just doing a video comparison between the two. This is my little house plant here. So on the left we have the DJI Osmo Pocket. On the right we have the Canon G7X. The lighting condition here is it's okay. I'd say not very bright light. There is a window sill on the left, which you can probably tell from the picture. There's a bit of light shining through. But in terms of video quality, I think they're both excellent. So I'm not sure about the sound quality. Guess I have to put it in the computer and to test it out.